Hello and what's up guys, how are you? So today in this video I will show you how you can install Python and Jupyter notebook in Windows. So let's get started. Before starting video, a small request to you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to never miss any updates. So let's get started. So open a new tab and type here Python download, because we have to first download Python. So click on this. Now in downloads, click this, or you can click on this Python 3.40.2. So click on this. So here you can see that our download is started. So let's wait until it complete. Now this is successfully installed, so double click on it. Now choose this both icon and click on install now. So it will take little bit time to install, so let's wait. Now here you can see that the setup was successful, so simply close this and open CMD. Run as administrator, and first of all we will check Python version. So type here Python --version. Okay, I misspelled, so type here Python version. So here you can see that 3.14.2. so we have to check pip version, so type here pip --version. So PIP version is 25.3. So now we have successfully installed Python. Now we have to set up Jupyter notebook. For that we have to type here pip install. So here you can see that in my case requirement already satisfied. That means I have already installed this. So in your case it will download and it will install. So simply close this and create any folder. And type a Jupyter notebook. So here you can see that extension is opened. So here you can see that Python Jupyter is now successfully installed. We can check by creating new Python 3. Here you can create any folder. You can see that new console, notebook, terminal or folder you can create here. So I am creating just Python file. So I will type here Python. So let's simply console log hello world. And yes, so here you can see that hello world. That means our Python Jupyter is successfully installed. So this is the process that how you can install Python Jupyter in Windows. So if you like this, then please subscribe in my YouTube channel and we will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.